Looking for the best AI tools to enhance your graphic designing skills? As the digital world evolves, artificial intelligence is playing a pivotal role in transforming the landscape of graphic design. From automating tedious tasks to pushing the boundaries of creativity, AI tools are becoming indispensable. Today, we are going to explore 10 such groundbreaking AI tools that can revolutionize the way you design. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, buckle up and let's dive into the top 10 AI tools that can transform your graphic designing game. Starting our list with Designs.ai, a versatile AI design platform. This innovative tool is packed with a variety of features that streamline the design process, making it a breeze for designers. It offers a plethora of templates, saving you time in creating designs from scratch. But the magic doesn't stop there. Designs.ai also boasts an image generation feature, which uses artificial intelligence to produce unique visuals. It's like having your very own graphic artist at your fingertips. Additionally, the platform provides text effects, letting you add the perfect typography to your designs with ease. One of the standout features of Designs.ai is its collaboration tools. These enable designers to work together seamlessly, making the platform a great choice for team projects. It's suitable for various design needs, from social media to marketing and web design. Designs.ai is paving the way for the future of design with AI. It's a testament to how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the design industry. Next up is Uizard, an AI tool revolutionizing UI/UX design. Uizard is a game changer in the design world, offering a unique blend of AI layouts and component libraries. With these tools at your disposal, creating rapid wireframes and prototypes becomes a walk in the park. But Uizard isn't just about speed and efficiency, it's also about collaboration. With its support for team engagement, you can bring all your design ideas together, no matter where your team is located. This makes brainstorming and implementing design concepts a seamless process. What's more, Uizard also supports exports. This means you can take your designs from the drawing board to the real world in just a few clicks. So whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner in web, app, and product design, Uizard has something to offer you. Uizard is shaping the future of UI/UX design with AI. Coming up next is Fronty, an AI tool transforming web design. Fronty is a web design platform that uses artificial intelligence to create code-free websites. It takes the hassle out of web design, making it more accessible to everyone. With Fronty, you can utilize AI generation and visual editing features to design professional-looking websites without needing to code. Fronty offers a variety of templates to suit your design needs, whether you're creating a business site, a personal blog, or an e-commerce platform. Additionally, Fronty includes a content management system, or CMS, to help you organize and manage your website's content efficiently. But it's not just about aesthetics and logistics. Fronty also provides SEO tools to ensure your website is optimized for search engines. This way, your website doesn't just look good, it also performs well. Fronty is influencing the future of web design with AI. Next on our list is AutoDraw, making drawing easy with AI. AutoDraw is an intelligent drawing tool that uses artificial intelligence to transform your doodles into professional-looking vector drawings. This tool simplifies the drawing process with its shape recognition feature. It can identify your sketches and provide suggestions from a library of neatly drawn icons, helping you to easily create clean, visually appealing designs. Beyond shape recognition, AutoDraw provides a variety of color palettes and an image editor, offering you a wide range of customization options. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to create designs that are unique and tailored to your needs. AutoDraw's versatility makes it a great tool for a variety of design tasks. Whether you're working on social media graphics, marketing materials, web design, or product design, AutoDraw can help you bring your ideas to life with ease. AutoDraw is shaping the future of drawing with AI. Up next is Adobe Sensei, enhancing creativity in Adobe apps with AI. Adobe Sensei is a dynamic feature within Creative Cloud applications like Photoshop and Illustrator. It facilitates the design process with AI-powered capabilities, taking the guesswork out of image selection and editing. With Adobe Sensei, you can seamlessly select and edit images, resulting in more refined, high-quality designs. But it doesn't stop there. Adobe Sensei also provides intelligent design feedback. helping you make informed decisions about your creative projects. Want to experiment with different styles? Adobe Sensei's style transfer feature allows you to apply unique aesthetic elements to your work. Need to upscale an image or detect objects within it? Adobe Sensei has got you covered. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, Adobe Sensei is committed to keeping pace. It's constantly evolving, enhancing the creative content creation process within Adobe apps. Adobe Sensei is transforming creative content creation with AI. Next up is Canva AI, simplifying design tasks with AI. This part of Canva offers a host of AI-powered tools that make creating stunning visuals a breeze. Canva AI's background remover, for instance, makes isolating subjects from their backgrounds a task of mere seconds, while the image enhancer brings out the best in your photos with just one click. Then, there's the text-to-image generator, an innovative feature that turns your words into compelling visual content. Canva AI's Magic Write tool takes this a step further by generating design suggestions based on your text. And let's not forget Beat Sync. This tool automatically syncs your video content to music, creating engaging and dynamic videos with minimal effort. Whether you're working on social media graphics, marketing materials, web, or product design, these tools are designed to simplify your creative process. As AI continues to evolve and grow, we can expect Canva AI to further enhance visual content creation. Canva AI is enhancing visual content creation with AI. Coming up next is Pixlr, a cloud-based photo editor with AI features. Pixlr offers a range of tools that leverage the power of artificial intelligence to simplify your editing process. One of these is the background remover, a tool that can automatically detect and erase backgrounds from your images, giving you a clean canvas to work with. Another remarkable feature is style transfer. This tool allows you to apply visual styles from one image to another, essentially reimagining your photos in an entirely new aesthetic. Pixlr also offers non-destructive editing, ensuring your original images remain untouched as you explore and experiment with different effects. Layers, a favorite among graphic designers, are also part of Pixlr's capabilities. These allow you to build your designs piece by piece, providing a more organized and flexible editing process. And with its user-friendly interface, Pixlr caters to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Pixlr is a versatile choice for photo enhancement and design with AI. Next on our list is Vexels, a stock photo and vector site with AI tools. What sets Vexels apart is its vast library of over 3 million images. Whether you're looking for a unique vector or a stunning stock photo, Vexels has got you covered. But it's not just about quantity. Vexels also impresses with its quality, providing AI tools like the background remover, which can be a game changer for your designs. This feature allows you to eliminate unwanted distractions from your images, focusing on what truly matters. Moreover, Vexels offers a plethora of templates and export options, which can make your design process smoother and more efficient. Whether you're designing for web, social media, or marketing, these features can save you time and effort. What's more, Vexels is both user-friendly and budget-friendly, making it accessible to all, from rookies to seasoned designers. Vexels is a versatile choice for visual content creation with AI. Coming up next is Artbreeder, an AI-powered platform for creating and editing digital art. Artbreeder is unique in how it leverages generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and style transfer techniques to generate and edit images. This revolutionary approach to digital art creation allows users to blend and modify images in ways that were previously unimaginable. But what sets Artbreeder apart is not just its advanced AI technology. The platform also fosters a collaborative environment with tools that let users share their creations, exchange ideas, and work together on projects. This sense of community is further amplified by an active user base, comprising artists and designers from across the globe. Whether you're creating concept art, illustrations, fine art, or personal projects, Artbreeder has something to offer. From beginners exploring the world of digital art to seasoned professionals looking for innovative tools, everyone can find value in Artbreeder's offerings. Artbreeder is a versatile choice for creators of all skill levels with AI. Last but not least, Deep Dream Generator, an AI tool transforming digital art with deep learning. This platform uses the power of deep learning to generate art, taking your input image and transforming it into something new and unexpected. You can either let the AI run wild or guide it with style transfer, applying the artistic style of one image to another. This feature allows you to create unique, personalized pieces of art with just a few clicks. But Deep Dream Generator is not just about creating art, it's also about sharing and discovering. The platform hosts a vibrant community of users who share their creations and inspire others with their innovative use of AI. It caters to all types of digital art creators, from hobbyists to professionals, making it a versatile tool in the world of digital art creation. Deep Dream Generator is shaping the future of digital art with AI. That wraps up our list of top 10 AI tools for graphic designers. From Designs.ai's versatile templates to Uizard's rapid wireframing, from Fronty's code-free websites to AutoDraw's intuitive drawing, the AI revolution is here. Adobe Sensei, Canva AI, Pixlr, and Vexels streamline creative workflows, while Artbreeder and Deep Dream Generator open new doors for digital art. Each tool offers unique features and benefits to enhance your design process. Remember, a tool is only as good as the designer who uses it. So pick the tools that best fit your needs and start creating.